Okay. Just some digital art that you can do with the turtle and the different commands. So next we'll get rid of these for now. And we'll start with we'll clear our screen. We'll start with our square at 50. And we'll grab a turn command for 10 degrees. Grab repeat for 36. Make sure our pen's down. Pretty neat. I actually have one of these laser cut into this. So that's something you could do. Pretty cool. Oh, so the next thing they want us to do is, so we've made our square code block and a triangle, and next we're going to do a star. And to be honest, it took me a little bit to figure out the correct angle for my star. So if you have any trouble, just reference this, but I'm sure you guys will figure it out. So we are just going to come over here and copy the codes that they have in place for us. So we'll grab move, we'll grab turn, snap those together. We need a size variable. Actually, I think we'll wait for that because we will first get our repeat. I'm going to repeat 5 times. And then when we go to make this a block, as your hint says, let me delete the one I already have so we can start over. Star. Drag these codes in here, plus sign, and we'll create size input. And then also put our size right there. So at this point, you might not know what the variable is, but let's just go to the next page and see what they have for us. So they have some tips. Turtle turns 90 degrees to draw a square. It must be turned more than 90 to do the star, but if you go too far, it won't touch, or if you go too far, it will overshoot and you'll have a wonky star. And if you don't go far enough, it won't close. So that's something to keep in mind. You can try really quick and play around with a few different angles, but I'm just going to go ahead and start with the one that I found to be correct. Okay. And we're setting our star to 100. Pins down. There you go. And you can move your turtle away to just make sure that your lines are connecting right where you want them to be, because I know I tried 145 as my angle and it was just right over a little bit, but there we go. So they want us to use the make a variable option to make another variable called degrees. Okay. And we will use set, and we will set our degrees to 140. Okay, so we set okay. I was just trying to remember why we did that. But for the next thing, we're going to do a snowflake pattern. So we'll use our star procedure to create the snowflake. We have our star already out. Go into motion, turn 15 degrees. We'll grab a repeat code block from the control category, repeating 24 times. Let's see what that looks like. That one looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, so this is kind of just what I was talking about earlier with inkjets, laser cutters. So this was the example that I had, that you can create stuff like this.